Hello, beautiful people. I welcome you all to another episode on Bentrary. Of course, you all know this is the best channel where you can learn how to be creative and how to create beautiful and lovely designs with the use of simple jewelry materials. But before we proceed into this class, I would like to appreciate you all for always coming back. And if you're a first timer here, I welcome you also. So don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get to watch every of the videos we post. Subscribe and don't forget to like also. Thank you. So the first step is to unwrap the wire. Cut out any length you would be convenient working with. Stretch the wire if it's bent. Use the roundness plier to make a loop at the bottom. Then lock round the wire. Cut out the excess. Then use the plier to press the sharp edge down. So this is what we arrived at. So you put one bead into the wire. Cut the wire to make it short. Then lock it. And this is it. Pick up the wire, put it into the hole, lock it together. Make sure you lock the wire very well so it doesn't catch easily. Then you put another bead, then you lock as you did the previous one. Cut the wire to a shorter length. Put the wire into the hole again and lock it together. Then put one bead into the wire. So you do that 5 times. After the 5th bead, I put into the wire. Cut the wire to a shorter length so it can easily lock. So this is it. Now you use the measuring tape to measure 1 inches of the chain. the same step for the remaining ones. The next one is ball pens.
Aisha Ochoa.
So after the fourth bead, you will add the chain.
Aisha
Then
Ochoa.
lock it. Let the 4 beads behind of the 5 beads,
Aisha Ochoa.
just like this. Measure the chain equally. Then cut it.
Aisha Ochoa.
So you move forward to the next, which is 3 beads, following the same procedure.
Aisha Ochoa.
Then add the chain.
Aisha Ochoa.
Cut to a shorter length. Then lock it.
Aisha Ochoa.
Measure with the previous one, then cut it.
Aisha Ochoa.
So you move to the next, which is 2 beads, then followed by 1 bead, following the same procedure. jump ring.
Aisha Ochua.
Open it. Put all the beads into the ring.
Aisha Ochua.
Then close the jump ring. Attach the pendant holder into the ring. And this is what we have. Pair with any gem of your choice.
Aisha Ochua.
So moving to the earring, we'll be following the same procedure, but this time around we are using the beads as 4, 3, 2 and 1.
Aisha Ochua. Aisha Ochua. Aisha Ochua. Aisha Ochua. Aisha Ochua.
So now you add the beads to the jump ring.
Aisha Ochua.
Then add the earring and also. close the
Aisha Ochua.
and we are done with the earring. Thanks for watching. See you in our next class. Bye.